In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a date 30 days from now in Google Sheets. This straightforward guide will help you quickly calculate future dates without any hassle, making it a handy trick for managing tasks, deadlines, or events. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to open a new or existing Google Sheets document. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets in your web browser and selecting either a blank sheet or one of your existing files. If you're starting fresh, click on the blank option. This will open a new spreadsheet where we'll do all the magic. Now, let's focus on cell A1. Here, you need to type in the formula today. The today function fetches the current date from your system and displays it in the cell. It's dynamic, meaning it automatically updates to the current date every time you open the spreadsheet. This is perfect for calculations requiring today's date as a starting point. Once you've entered the Today function into cell A1, it's time to move on to the next step. Navigate to cell C2, where you'll be setting the date for 30 days ahead. In C2, type the formula XA1 plus 30. What this formula does is add 30 days to the date stipulated in cell A1, effectively calculating a date that is 30 days from today. After typing in the formula in C2, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This action will compute the result and show you the exact date 30 days from today, displayed neatly in cell C2. Simple as that. Now that you've mastered this technique, you can apply it in various scenarios. Whether you need to remind yourself of upcoming tasks, manage project deadlines, or plan personal events, knowing how to quickly compute future dates can save you time and effort. A few tips to ensure smooth processing. Firstly, make sure that your date formats are consistent across your spreadsheet to avoid any discrepancies. If your dates look off, check the format under the Format menu, then Number, and select the appropriate date format. Secondly, remember that this method works perfectly for days within a month. However, if your needs involve calculating business days only, consider using the Workday function, which also accounts for weekends and specified holidays. That wraps up our guide for today. With just a few simple functions, you're now equipped to manage future dates efficiently in Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and happy date calculating.